In the painting conservation profession, there is nothing like a routine. As painting conservator, my mission is to preserve original intent of the artist. I'm Elżbieta Osiak Heise. I'm a painting conservator. I graduated from Academy of Fine Art in Warsaw, Poland. I've been in business for 27 years. I'm currently working on two portraits. They are husband and wife, Mary and Robert Welsh. They were painted in Italy, where the couple were spending their honeymoon. First thing which I'm doing is removal of grime and varnish. They have a lot of raised cracks. The next step is flattening of the paintings. I will also change the stretchers. After the paintings are flattened, they will be varnished and in-painted, and they will look very much like the day they were painted. A statue of Mary came from the convent of Sisters of Holy Names in Lake Oswego. Some of the sisters were very talented artists. The convent is archiving and preserving their work. This statue was produced by a Spanish manufacturer in 1860. The gilded ornaments which I'm recovering are original. I think that I can in-paint this with shell gold and possibly regild it in some places, and it will look really beautiful again. The mountain landscape with cows were painted by the artist named Meyers in around 1890. The painting is very lovely, but when it came to my studio, it was in a really bad condition. The painting was badly torn in many places, and then somebody tried to restore it. I usually imitate the brush strokes and texture of the painting in the putty layers. Unfortunately, an amateur restorer attached those patches with some kind of synthetic glue. I had to clean the reverse to prepare the painting for lining. After I achieved texture which is very similar to the texture of the rest of the painting, I add color on the top of it. With this amount of tears, I had no other option but line the painting on a new canvas. I really enjoy my everyday challenges here in my studio.